Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find how many streams a song has on your Spotify app. So you're going to just select a playlist or the song itself here, and you're going to. Oh, actually, I have to open it on the album, I guess. So select the artist. For instance, the Cranberries here. You can see how many streams the song has right now. So Linger currently has 815,470, right? 850 million. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at reading numbers. 815,470,206. It's currently at number one though because right now it's the most popular, but Zombie has more streams than Linger. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.